Might as well kill it.
Are you gonna go for it?
El Chapo.
Oh yeah, let me see this. Oh my god. I didn't know you were gonna let go of it. I'm just trying to see this. El Chapo. Look at this thing. It's gonna be. Thing's ready to roll.
It's like unwrapping a present.
See how his shit
I
looks.
overshot that. You see where you fucked up, that's for sure.
Oh man.
Ain't nothing a Q-tip won't fix.
Oh.
It's true.
Oh man.
Cue the Q-tips.
Cue the tips. Cue the tips.
Oh man. How's this bumper look?
Oh jeez.
Not too bad actually. Better than I was expecting.
That's a Tony. Oh. That wasn't even me, eh? That was so the camera, Mark. Don't listen to that.
It doesn't matter. I always care about this with them.
Yeah. Well, here's stage one. Beautiful. Look at that.
What a beaut.
What a beaut. Time to put some blue on it. What's the next step?
Step 2, or I don't know what step we're on, but get the fingerprints off. 'Cause you probably you probably touched it a lot. So,
Yeah, there's always a lot of fingerprints in there, so usually we just spray right over it, but we're trying to do a little bit better bodies nowadays. And we're in the front of the pack now, so we gotta have better looking trucks. Coming for you, Brandon Moore Ford.
Oh, shit.
What happened?
yeah, just took this body.
Don't do it again.
Well, I gotta get
Stop rubbing it, dude.
How do you fix that?
This thing actually looks pretty good. We're not gonna mask anything else. We're off. We're just gonna paint over it. So we'll see how areas like that look when all is said and done. It might look like but ooh, that's not. Ooh, wow. Yeah, there's gonna be a few areas that aren't gonna look good for sure. Yep. That doesn't help. Oh my gosh.
Damn, that's nice blue.
That is beautiful.
That's nice.
Can I use some of that for mine?
Probably not.
Don't get too heavy with it. It's the first coat, dude.
Alright, I know.
Oh, no, the fuzzies.
There's gonna be fuzzies in it.
Oh, why'd you pick the
Don't do it.
There's another tidbit. Don't do it where there's fuzzies, because they will fuck your paint over quicker than acetone, it turns out.
Yeah, the table's good. It was supposed to be blue, eh?
There's so much fuzz on there.
Yeah, that's true. Well, that'll add a nice snowflake effect in the paint.
Well, here we go.
All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Hopefully I don't fuck over my Raptoid. But at the end of the day, as Mark said, who really gives a fuck? See, are my pillars blue yet? Oh yeah.
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
They're good. They're well on their way.
Some fun backyard fun.
Backyard shenanigans.
Backyard nannies. What a beaut. Getting high off fumes.
I know.
Wow, this thing's already looking good. Oh yeah, you get high. I don't know if you're looking to get high today, but you do.
Ooh-wee.
And it's like a good kind of high, like a headache kind of high.
Like one of the Mike's Hard highs.
Yeah, it does kind of feel like you're drinking some Mike's Hard.
Keep it light.
Yeah, you too, buckwheat.
Save your paint.
Oh shit. Alright, that's good enough for my first coat.
What a beaut. Look at that.
Probably even too much on that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's definitely some bluage on the pillars.
Oh, yeah. Are you happy with your first coat?
Ooh. Oh man, the blue's gonna really be caked on over there. Damn.
First coat's pretty thick over
At
there.
least it's nice and glossy.
Body didn't turn out too poorly. I decided I'm not going to use it. I painted up another one as well. That's what I put on it. And one time out and she's already a little beat up. The Raptor turned out cool.